Today I'm going to teach you how to make roasted peppers. I love roasted peppers and they taste so much better than the ones that come in the jar from the store. You're going to begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. Wash your produce and then core and halve the peppers. Since I'm going to use my toaster oven, I have enough space for 3 peppers. If you plan on using a conventional oven, then you will have space for even more. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. It will prevent the peppers from sticking to the pan and make for easier cleanup. Place your peppers smooth side down on the cookie sheet and then drizzle with olive oil. Rub the olive oil all over each pepper. Next, place the tray of peppers in the oven and bake for about 30 minutes. Time may vary, especially if you are using a toaster oven. Begin checking at the 20-minute mark. The peppers are ready to be removed when the skin is blistered and looks slightly scorched. This baking method makes it easy to remove the skin from the peppers later on. After allowing the peppers to cool, then remove the skin. I like to start at the base of the pepper and push up from the midpoint to separate the skin, then I just peel back each half. Here I am chopping some for a Mediterranean salad and the rest I plan to store. Store the roasted peppers in a Tupperware and refrigerate. The peppers should keep for at least 10 days, although mine never last that long.